Global warming is one of the biggest problems that we have nowadays, that we are facing, and the projects that we do in the Centre for Innovation in Carbon Capture and Storage are looking to ways to fight climate change and at the same time finding a way to use fossil fuels in a more sustainable fashion. We are very excited in this last probably couple of years really. We have been able to talk to very large companies, and they are investing money in the project because they believe that it's scientifically sound. When we talk about the carbon capture and storage, we're actually talking about a series of different technologies. It's really a technology chain. The first step is we have to work in taking the carbon dioxide that is produced with many other gases and isolate it or separate it from the other gases. After we separate it, then we'll need to transport it, and then we'll need to store it under a geological formation, or the other option is to convert it into a useful product. So we can actually take the carbon dioxide coming, let's say, from a power plant or from cement or steel works, and reacting it with some mineral waste and transform it into a product that can be used as a building block. The percentage, so half of this is actually CO2, carbon dioxide. And if you were to put this on a volume basis, roughly here we have around 3 liters of CO2. It sounds like science fiction when you first start thinking about it. I mean, it's the whole idea that you actually are able to produce something as a gas, carbon dioxide, but then you're able to walk out of a place and holding it in your hand or putting it in your pocket. So when you first start talking about that, it sounds a little bit of a science fiction, but actually nature does this process naturally. So the way that the rocks weather, they basically follow this process. The place where we have coming in is of course to speed up the process, because this happens over geological times. So what our research has been doing is finding ways and finding processes by which we can speed up from geological times to basically industrial timescales. The University of Nottingham has a strong focus in energy. Within energy, one of the biggest challenges associated with energy is also climate change. So the projects that we are doing here at the Centre for Innovation in Carbon Capture and Storage are looking at both challenges: the challenge of securing the supply of energy, and at the same time the challenge of reducing our carbon dioxide emissions to diminish the problem of global warming.